Hello friends, today I will show you top 5 useful Android secret tricks in your Android mobile. So without the first is how you can zoom in any part of your mobile screen just like this. Just open your mobile setting and opening settings, search for accessibility, and now you will see accessibility option, so click on it and you will see an option named magnification gestures. Click it and enable magnification gesture. So by enabling magnification, whenever you click 3 times on your screen it will zoom in, and when you again click 3 times it will zoom out. So the second trick is how you can remove background of any picture. So first open Chrome and search for remove.bg. If you go to this website you will see an option upload photo, click on it and upload the photo. You want to remove the background. It will be uploading in this website, and here you will see the background of this picture is removed. So click on it and download the picture in your phone. The third trick is how to open file without opening app lock. First open Chrome and search for file, South Dakota card, and press enter, and here you can see all the folder and you can open the pictures or videos. So the fourth trick is how you can stabilize a video if you don't have a video stabilizer, so you need an app Google Photo which will already be in your phone. Open Google Photos app and select any video. On the bottom of your screen you will see a edit option, click it and you will see the stabilized option. As usual, selecting stabilized option it will render and your video will be smoothly stabilized without any quality loss. Here is one-by-one comparison. So the fifth trick is connect a free VPN without any app first. Open your setting and click on wireless and network and then VPN. You will see an option add VPN network, click it, first type any name of your VPN, on type select only 2 lira PTIPSECPSK, and then on server address you have go to website name vpngate.net, the website link will be in description. And select any low milliseconds server. And copy the server address and paste it, and on IPsec pre-shared key type VPN, on forwarding routes type 0.0.0.00. And on username and password just type VPN and click save. And now whenever you need a VPN just tab connect and you will be connected to VPN and unblock all restricted website on your phone. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.